Hello everyone and welcome. Right now we're adding the insulation, the final step before the drywall.
Așa, acum.
And this is a rather resource consuming process because these are really good. They come in sheets that you can easily fit up here, but they are rather, they don't really cover as much as you
Denis,
would like.
las-o jos.
So yeah, this is the process, and now I'm just gonna go grab the last sheet that I have. Forgot the ladder. Long, sorry. Yeah. I'm just saying. Don't do that. Don't do that. Bloody selfie stick just doesn't want to do its job. All right. I got it. The ceiling is done, and I'm gonna flip the camera and give you a complete view of the room. This will also help with the stability of the camera. Oh yeah, the thingy is done. Let's turn out the lights. It doesn't really make any difference because it's broad daylight. But the ceiling is in, and this room is complete in this drywall state. What is left to be done is to fill the gaps in between each sheet with some plaster, I think it's called. I don't know. Words in English are hard. At the moment, I'm incredibly tired. Everything is done, absolutely everything at this stage, including I sanded. Let's have a look. See here. I sanded these edges so that they are flush with the actual walls. But another layer of plaster is going to come. Mud, I think the constructors call it, and with a bit of more paper to cover everything to make it smooth. And then the final step will be, of course, paint. We've also got a down payment on the in-floor heating, and once we have that system in place, we can even add the floors. So fingers crossed we get that done this year, hopefully. We have no idea of how long our budget will last and how much time we have left before we have to call it quits, because the weather is going to go bad and we cannot stay here anymore if we don't have heating. We're probably definitely not going to have heating in the floor this year. Just the system will be in place, because we also have to get a project for the gas central unit, something. Anyway, let's flip the camera, see me, and I can say, hey, if you enjoyed my updates on the house and so on and so forth, thank you, and thank you for sticking around till the end. And hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share it with a friend. All right, bye bye. I'll see you the next time.